Yo, little geniuses, pull up. Today we're splitting water using sunlight, no cap. Watch this cup of water literally break into tiny bubbles just from sunlight. Looks like magic, but it's straight up science. In this experiment, we're doing the water-splitting sunlight test, showing how sunlight plus salt water plus metal strips can make water break into hydrogen and oxygen bubbles. Sunlight gives energy, salt water carries electricity, and the metal strips act like electrodes. Boom. The water starts splitting into gases. Subhanallah, look at how Allah designed even simple water with hidden secrets. The same sunlight that warms the earth can break water into different parts. Science is full of surprises. Even the simplest things can teach us the greatest lessons. And remember, every small discovery brings us closer to understanding Allah's amazing creation. Aight, little geniuses, that's the water-splitting sunlight test. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and share this with your squad. And don't forget to subscribe for more halal science magic.